We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing coffee names too, some of the most mispronounced ones as well, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Mocha Frappuccino. I'm just kidding, it's mocha. Yes, it's Italian, and in Italian CH sounds like K for some reason, so mocha Frappuccino. So that double C there means that it's not pronounced like a C, but like CH, because it's Italian. Don't ask me why, it's not very logical, but that's the way it is. And the double C means that you need to insist on that double C and I syllable on the chino. Mocha cappuccino. Mocha cappuccino. That would be how the Italians even would say it, so you might as well. Mocha cappuccino. And now you know it all, I think. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more names of coffees whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Grazie mille. Ciao ciao.